and seeks the Lord with all their heart. Chapter 6. The endurance of the faithful. Not all who begin this journey will finish it, for the trials ahead demand perseverance. The book of Revelation makes it clear, only those who endure to the end will receive the crown of life. For you, this means cultivating a daily walk, in prayer, in scripture, in unity with fellow believers, and in unwavering resistance to temptation. Expect pain. Expect betrayal. Expect moments when your faith is tested to its very core. But know this, every trial you face is known to God. Each tear you shed, every wound you suffer for righteousness' sake, is counted precious and will be answered in the fullness of time. The endurance of the faithful is not passive. It is active and victorious. By the blood of the Lamb and the word of your testimony, you will overcome. Lift your voice. Encourage and strengthen one another. Offer compassion and hope, even as the world grows colder. In unity, the faithful shine like stars against the blackness of the midnight sky, guiding others toward the saving light. Chapter